Hello guys, welcome. My name is Neha and today in this video we will learn about the names of all different types of chair. So let's begin. Adirondack Chair, Director's Chair, Desk Chair, Cantilever Chair, Barber Chair or Salon Chair, Rocking Chair, Lounger, Chaise Lounge, Ottoman, Kaban Chair, Swivel Chair, High Chair, Cuddler Chair, Upholstered Bench, Deck Chair, Garden Chair, Waiting Room Chair, Windsor Chair, Ladderback Chair, Dining Room Chair, Executive Chair, Operator Chair, Folding Chair, Egg Chair, Wheelchair, Hammock Chair, Student Chair, Push Chair, Club Chair, Ball Chair, Tulip Chair, Throne, Park Bench, Wing Chair, Armchair, Sleeper Couch. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my upcoming videos. See you in next video.